Want to create room in Mario Kart but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to create room in Mario Kart. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start by tapping on the multiplayer button which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Below with friends or others nearby there is create room button. Click on it. Now make the rules according to your choice. After that, click on the race button. Tap on the create room button. And that's how you can create room in Mario Kart. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.